Enphase Microinverters is an American technology that gives higher power generation with module monitoring and troubleshooting. These microinverters are easy to install on rooftops underneath the panels and give each panel power to perform to its maximum capability. Solves the major problem of shutting down of the entire system as each inverter is performing independently. It measures, analyzes, and prioritizes your needs with your fingertips on your mobile application. It comes with a big warranty period of 25 years. Sites that are currently operating and have installed Enphase microinverters are Enphase and Tata Power Solar in Bangalore, with in-roof for BL Agro at Bareilly and Pangaea Stones at Bhagru, Jaipur, Rajasthan.